Good morning. You are listening Ishika Sayal, your news anchor from La Wafra Media. Here we bring you the latest updated news from around the world of 8 August 2020. The first news of today is PM Modi to launch submarine cable connectivity for Andaman and Nicobar on 20th August. Small and medium trade enterprises will also benefit from opportunity in e-commerce with the new connectivity in place, and educational institute will utilize the enhanced bandwidth for e-learning and knowledge sharing. Business process outsourcing services and other medium and large enterprises too also benefit from better connectivity. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the submarine optical fiber cable connecting Chennai and Port Blair on 10th August via video conferencing, an official release said on Friday. The submarine cable will also connect Port Blair to Swaraj Deep, Little Andaman, Car Nicobar, Comotra, Great Nicobar, Long Island, and Rangat. The new network will enable delivery of faster and more reliable mobile and landline telecom services to the Andaman and Nicobar Island at par with other parts of the country. The foundation stone for this project was laid by the Prime Minister on 30 December 2018 at Port Blair. The submarine optical fiber cable link will deliver bandwidth of 2 into 200 gigabits per second between Chennai and Port Blair, and 2 into 100 Gbps between Port Blair and other islands. The provision of reliable, robust and high-speed telecom and broadband facilities in these islands will be a landmark achievement from the viewpoint of consumers as well as for a strategic and governance reason. In the island, 4G mobile services which were disputed due to limited bandwidth provided via satellite will also see major improvement. Enhanced telecom and broadband connectivity will boost tourism and employment generation in their island, give an impetus to the economy and raise standard of living. Better connectivity will also facilitate delivery of e-governance services such as telemedicine and teleeducation. Besides, small and medium trade enterprise will also benefit from opportunity in e-commerce with the new connectivity in place. Educational institute will utilize the enhanced bandwidth for e-learning and knowledge sharing. Business process outsourcing services and other medium and large enterprises too also benefit from better connectivity. The connectivity project was funded by the Center through the Universal Services Obligation Fund under the Ministry of Communication. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited executed the process while the Telecommunication Consultation India Limited was the technical consultant. I, Ishika Sayal, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead.